action.
We're open for production. The alpha phase is officially over, and the Atomic Editor version 4 is now in beta, ready to be used on real sites, production sites. This beta is the final step before we officially move Elementor to version 4.0 and turn the Atomic Editor into the default editing experience in Elementor. But of course, existing sites and features aren't going anywhere. New features will continue to live alongside existing ones, and you'll be able to use both together. Version 4 is built on a CSS-first foundation. Layouts behave the way the browser expects them to. And instead of styling page by page, version 4 is based on a design system with variables and classes. Define your values once, apply them everywhere. The results? More confidence when you build, fewer surprises as sites grow, and a foundation that scales and evolves with you. As part of building a stronger foundation, we also had to rethink the elements themselves. Version 4 is built around a unified approach. Elements are now atomic, designed to be lighter and to behave as part of a single system, sharing the same underlying structure and the same styling logic, which makes building feel simpler, more predictable, and much easier to maintain over time. When structure, styling, and content are clearly separated, when styles are semantic, and when elements are predictable, that's when you can start building systems, not just pages. And this new foundation is what makes the next part possible: introducing components. They're not really templates, and they're not global widgets either. Components are built for real workflows and big, real projects. You build once, and every instance stays in sync. But here's the key part: you still get flexibility where it matters. Clients can change the content per instance, while the design and structure stays protected. But we're not stopping there. What comes next is already in motion, and more will be revealed later this month at our online event, Web Forward, so stay tuned. If you currently don't see version 4 Atomic features on your site, first make sure you update to the latest Elementor version. Then, in the WordPress admin, go to Elementor, Editor, Settings, Version 4, and click Activate. The Atomic Editor version 4 is now in beta, ready for real sites. And this is only the beginning.